Hello everyone, today we are on our trip to the beach on the river where we gonna make a little camp, and for that occasion I brought my Decathlon tent MH100. It is well known budget tent that I already mentioned in one of my videos, but this time I made a little modification to it so that it is now more compact and lighter, so it fits in every backpack, and also at the same time it is more sturdier and durable, so which make it a bit better than it was in the original shape. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned for the next minutes of this video, because this will be interesting subject to all those that own this budget tent from Decathlon. And we are almost here. There is a bit mud here. The beach is just behind those trees there. Let's have a look. Okay, the Drava is rising. Whew. Sand that become moistured, so it means that this will be mud in about maybe 3 hours. So we're gonna stick a stick here so that just so we can have a orientation how fast the river is rising. Okay. So this is the tent, this is the MH100 from Decathlon, and I know it doesn't look at all as the one that is on the pictures on the web shop, because it is not in the original package and a lot of other stuff is not as the original. So this is the compression bag that I bought from AliExpress. It is a cheap one, I don't know exact price, I will put it in the post-production if I found it. So this is the compression bag in which you can fit the MH100 if you make it more compact as I did here. As you can see, these are the poles and the fly sheet is all around the poles. And also I bought the pegs. The pegs are aluminum ones, which is they are a bit longer than the original ones, and they are thicker, like 3 times thicker than the original ones, which is better for sticking into the ground, and they hold more firmly, and at the same time they weight less than the original ones. So this is the also thing that I bought for this tent, alongside with the compression bag. And here I have poles. These are aluminum poles that I also bought on the AliExpress, which are shorter for about 10 centimeters and folded like this, in compared to the original ones, which are from glass fiber. And I heard the complaints that glass fiber poles tend to break, unlike this one, which are aluminum, which makes the all the tent more sturdier and more durable. So, and at the same time they are shorter, and you can fit it easily inside this compression bag, and you can put everything inside the I would say every backpack. So I have this very basic backpack. It's not outdoor backpack or anything, and you can fit all of these things inside this backpack here. So that you can see that it's you can easily put it wherever you want. It's more compact. And these exact poles are when you buy them, they are like 10 centimeters longer than the original ones. They are 360 centimeters long. So I had to cut the cut the ends of the poles. So in any case, as you can see, every pole, the end part of the pole is always a bit shorter than those in the middle. So it's not a big difference if you cut it a bit more. So because these were like 360 centimeters long, I had to cut about 5 centimeters from this end and this end. So it's not some complicated job to do. I did it with the electric how it's called, grinder, yeah. But you can do that with any kind of tool. You can even do it with hand saw for the metal, because this is aluminium and it is easy to cut. Yes, actually I will put the video how I did it, the clip how I did it, so you will see that. And it's really easy to do. So you just pull this out. You have this elastic cord here which you untie, and you just pull this all out, and then you can take out all of this. And then you just, when you cut it, you just put it back and you have the pole. So that's about it. And also now when I assembled the tent like this in this compression bag and everything, now it weighs about 400 grams less than in the original package. So with this setup you get a lighter tent, more compact and more durable. So right now I will just set it up, and so that you can see that everything fits, and hope you will like that. That was it, guys. We will now just make our fire here, and we will just roast some sausages and enjoy the rest of our day here by the river. I oko Drave ih je puno. Baš ih ima. Prijednih nije bilo toliko.